my best wasn't good for you. I wish my best to the both of you. Family and friends, they all close to you. Damn, it's so hard getting over you. Late in the midnight hour, you make the worst decisions. And I was always there to listen. This time, time to talk. Time to talk.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Ament.
We are Excellent Sound, and we are back. You just heard our remake of Skrillex and Boys Noize and Ty Dolla Sign's Midnight Hour.
That's like the elite team right there.
That's a whole squad right there. That's a serious
up.
Fortnite squad. Yeah, you guys just heard our remake of that. We're going to be showing you guys how to make the lead sound in the drop. It's a very, very highly requested remake by you guys.
Yeah, a ton of you guys have been just asking over and over and over.
Midnight Hour, midnight. So we did it for you guys. So hopefully you guys will learn a lot from this. As always, the link for the download of the preset and rack will be in the description below.
Did this win a Grammy?
I think it's nominated.
I think it's nominated,
yeah.
Right?
And also, if you didn't hear those smooth vocals, shout out to our boy, Russ T Barber.
Killer voice.
Killer voice. Went ahead and sang on the track for us. We love him. You might have seen him in a couple videos before, but
yeah,
super talented guy.
Guested on one of them.
Yeah, one of our best friends for sure. So it'd be really cool to kind of go over some of his vocals. And we'll talk about how you guys can get his vocals and the rest of the samples in here. But it is house season, right, Parker?
It's freaking house season, baby.
It's house season, and it's almost over. Tomorrow's Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Turkey Day. Happy Tea Gives.
Happy Tea Gives. So, yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good Thanksgiving. I think, I don't know, what are you doing?
I'm going to Long Beach. All my family's coming out.
Nice. Very good. That'll be nice.
Yeah.
You got a big family. Anyway, shout out what you're doing for Thanksgiving in the comments below. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video. And let's go ahead and get into this. Of course, you know we had to. There's not a whole. I was actually really surprised when people were like, "Oh, remake Midnight Hour." Cause I was like what? It's like drums.
Yeah, it's pretty empty.
But we went ahead and remade the drums as we always do. And the sound that we're going over is this like cool little phone lead. It sounds like this. It's like kind of vocally, I guess.
Yeah,
you would say
it does sound like a vocal chop.
And of course, if you guys like sounds and samples like this, we are, I would say we're like at this point we're pretty professional sound designers.
Oh, we are killing. We are killing.
And if you guys didn't already know, we do have a holiday sale going on right now. So if you wanted to get our new pack in your house right now, we went ahead and extended our holiday sale. We were doing it until.
We were doing it until last Sunday.
It was supposed to be over.
Yeah.
And then we just got so many emails, and it was like, I missed this or whatever.
Yeah,
and
just complaining. They missed it. They forgot about it.
Yeah, so
what happened?
We decided, I think we're going to extend this to...
We're going till Cyber Monday for you guys.
Yes, so...
We're going all the way.
Spend $100 or more and get 50% off. That means you can basically buy in your house and get any pack you want for free. So
yeah, we talked about it, and we're super stoked to give you guys a whole nother week on this. Like it's super cool. We're enjoying it. We're having fun. We're seeing you guys on our site.
Yeah.
So we're stoked on the holidays.
Make sure you guys take advantage of that because once it's over, it will be over for real this time. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this lead. Again, we're making this. Okay, so we're go ahead and have a stock Serum setup. I'm going to go ahead and pull this up real quick. I have it pulled up right here. Let me turn off the processing. Oops, I forgot to initiate this. Menu. Nope, don't. No,
initialize.
I went crazy. Okay.
Modulated.
All right, let's hear how it sounds initiated. You should be able to do this if you're in a different DAW too. There's not too much processing. So let's go ahead and start. The first wavetable we're going to use is digital, and we're going to go animal. This one sounds kind of vocally, I guess. What is it called? Animal what?
FFT animal.
Oh, FFT animal. 1, sick. Okay, nice. This one's going to be set to 0. We're going to go ahead and put the unison up to 4. And the detune to a 0.22. Let me just type that in because I can. Kermode Special.
Kermodes.
Blend is good. Phase is good. Random all the way up. Level all the way up. And the wavetable position is going to be set to 143. I love you. And we're also going to set the warp mode to FM from B, but we're going to turn it all the way down. You can already start to hear it sounds like it. It's like found the perfect wavetable, which is rare, but it needs a little bit more work. So the next oscillator, we're going to do analog. We're going to do digital, and we're going to do, was it solid phase or something, Parks?
Yeah, solid phase.
Solid phase. Is it in digital? In digital. Digital.
Spectral.
Spectral. Digital. What song is that?
Oh, that was phase 1.
Phase 1. There you go. Digital.
Digital.
Solid phase 1. Maybe that's how he got his name.
Oh
shit, dude. Fucking mind blown.
Yeah, that was a dope video if you guys didn't check it out.
Yeah, digital. Yeah, okay, so octave is going to be 0. All this stuff is pretty much stock. Turn the random all the way down and turn the level down to 38. And I forgot to, we got to adjust the fine tune. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Dang it, I'm trying to get it exact for the people. Fine tune, okay? We're going to go ahead and tune this up to like Fort Sevs. Nice, okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a filter, and it's going to be a normal. Bandpass, band 24. That's what we're doing.
Yes,
Make sure both A and B are going to it, as well as the noise and the sub oscillator. We're going to get into that in a little bit. Cutoff's going to be at 1113. Bam. Resonance is going to be at 10%. It's a very nasally sound. Okay, so that's good. Drive is good. Fat is good. Mix all the way up. You can barely hear it now. Because we went ahead and just cut out all those frequencies. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do the noise oscillator. So the noise oscillator, we're going to do bright white, our favorite noise.
That's definitely our favorite noise.
Definitely our fave noise. We're going to go ahead and put it on to one-shot mode and key tracking, and we're going to go ahead and put the pitch to 20 sevs, 2 sevs, and the level's going to go to 50%. So I'm just going to put 50, bam. Kind of makes it sound more phony, I guess.
Yeah.
Not phony, but like a phone. Does that make sense?
Megaphony?
Megaphony, yeah. There you go. That works. And let's go ahead and adjust the envelope 1 now. This is kind of important. We're going to turn the attack up to 36 milliseconds, so it's a little bit slower on the sound coming in. And we're going to turn the hold all the way down like it is. The decay is going to be to 4 toots. 4 toots.
4 toots.
Decay all the way down, and the release is going to be set to 15 milliseconds. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to like round this. I don't know what this is, but we're just going to round it up like this.
The body.
Nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and make sure we put this onto mono and legato. And Parker, if you can go to LFO 4 for me, my man. I'm going to do it on LFO 1, but we're going to do a little bit of, we always have like our initiated preset here for us as like set up for LFO 4 to be our pitching. I recommend you guys do that. It's not a bad idea to have that and then put a macro on it, and you can save that as like your initialized patch.
I love that. I love how we do that.
I'm going to go ahead and use LFO 1. I'm going to set it to to envelope, and I'm going to put it to bar. This is just how I was doing it at the time. I'll show you guys. Oh, that's the wrong way. And then you're just going to kind of add just like a little bit of pitch, like so. Just add a little clip just like that. I mean, you can do it however you want, but I'm pretty sure it's so subtle. Yeah, it's very subtle. And you can, we'll adjust this later. And then what you can do is you can actually go into the matrix and add, so in the matrix, we're going to go to LFO 1, and then we're going to go put this on the master tune. And I think this is going to be set to 9, I believe. So let's go put that to 9.
Yeah.
And then if you wanted to, like I was saying, in our initiated patch, we have the aux source being as like, let's say it's like macro 4 or whatever. And then you can label this pitch, you know? Bam. So now you have like, if you don't want the pitch, you can adjust it from there. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and turn up the portamento up to like, almost to like halfway, like 90 milliseconds is probably good. That works. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and get into, I think I got everything on the first page. Do we have everything on the sub?
No.
No, we're good on the sub. All that's good. That's pitched. Okay.
Oh, wait, we need to put it on the D-tune.
Oh, yeah, we got this on the D-tune. Envelope 1, thanks, Sparks, is going to be on the D-tune. Set it to -6. Very subtle, but kind of helps with the the tuning.
And double check the wavetable on oscillator B.
Solid one phase. Yeah. What? Oh, thank you. Damn, Parker's on top of it. 12. The wavetable on oscillator B.
Let's get it.
Exact remakes here, people. Let's hear how it's sounding in the mix. It's probably gonna be really quiet. It's almost there. Now we just need to pull out some effects. Before we get into the effects, I wanted to go ahead and go over, if you guys want to get this project file, you guys can go right now and go to our Patreon. The link will be in the description, and go ahead and sign up for the YouTube tier. It's $10 a month. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff with the Patreons, giving them extra, like, you guys get extra coupons and probably even, like, maybe some early release type stuff. Who knows?
Yeah, this is going to be kind of like our membership kind of program. You know, if you're a patron, then you're part of Excellent, you know, you're part of the, like,
exactly
official, you're getting special treatment.
Yep.
You're getting the VIP treatment.
The VIP. And we have even VIPs.
Exactly.
Patreon. So, yeah, $10, you guys can go ahead and have access to our entire years of project file that we've done this past year and a little bit before.
Yeah.
And you can download everything that you want there, all the presets, samples that we've made, all organized, all the racks, all there for you guys to learn from. You know, we like to really try to give you guys as much content as we possibly can. It takes a lot of time to put that up there, and a lot of resources to actually get it to be organized and clean and able for you guys to use in your own production. So I recommend you do that. So if you want to see how this project was made entirely, you can really check that out on our Patreon. We have other tiers like VIP tier, which is like $35 a month, and we're making exclusive presets for that Patreon tier. So whatever, every month we're sending them exclusive presets and samples that we're not selling. We're just going straight to them. We have a very small number, and I might have to cap it soon because it's getting too high. But I recommend you do that before we do that. Mystery loot, we're sending you mystery stuff, unreleased samples, all that type of fun stuff. So just go check it out. It's on our Patreon. Some of the drums, I think before I get into the processing too, I just wanted to just touch on the drums. Like, these drums are really what makes the drop, and that's how simple and easy it is. I mean, it's just
really filling up the space.
It's just a sick groove, you know what I mean? And of course, like, the vocals, the vocal chops are really doing a lot. You know, that was a lot of fun to make. But yeah, so I highly recommend if you guys want to get those drums and the other presets like this laser beam, we might do like our Instagram. So if you guys haven't been signed up to our Instagram, I recommend you do that because we're doing a lot more tutorial stuff based on there. So you might see this on Instagram or you might see something else. But we're doing a lot more stuff. So follow us at XLNT Sound. Link will be in the description as well. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and get into the processing. What do you say, Parks?
Let's do it, man.
Okay, so let's get into the effects. I went ahead and saved it, so I'm going to go ahead and menu load effect chain. And,
look at all of our presets right there.
Look
at that.
Bam.
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm going to turn these off. We'll go one by one. First thing we got is a Formant 3. This is just to make it more vocally. Cutoff is at 1052, res down, drive down. Formant at 58, pan at 50, and mix at 38. I got to turn it back on. That's the wrong one. This is it. Where'd it go? Nice. Okay. And then next we're going to go ahead and do a hyperdimension, rate at 40, detune at 25, and mix at 17. Size down, mix at 25 on the dimension side. Just widthing it up a little bit. And, of course, some multi-band compression, thresh at minus 12.4, ratio at 401, 90, 90, gain at 6.6. There we go.
Activated.
See, it's really starting to come together. And we're going to do some processing on it, but honestly, like, if you don't have Ableton, like, this is pretty much the sound. Just, like, compress it. Tube distortion is next. Drive at 87 and mix at 100%. And it even sounds good in the higher register, I think it does. Doesn't it go lower? I mean lower. Which is nice because it sounds exactly how it's supposed to sound in the original. So for the processing, what we did here is we added just a little bit of auto filter. We used another bandpass just to kind of sculpt it a little bit more, cut out some of the lows from the processing that we did and some of the highs. You can see that. A little bit of reverb, just a touch. Very short, 200 milliseconds and 33 on the dry wet. And some OTT, 10 output and 100%. Really pushes it out. And lastly, just an EQ with just a little boost right here at 484 and a low cut and a low shelf. Wait, what am I saying? Low cut and a high cut right here. Just just shaping the sound more. And there you go, guys. That's how you do it. So hopefully you guys learned something. Again, link is in the download description. We are Excellent Sound. Make sure you take advantage of our new pack that is on sale right now for the holiday. Until Cyber Monday, it will be done. No more.
Yeah, it's going to be gone. It's going to be gone.
50% off $100 or more. You could purchase our new pack in your house right now and get any of our other packs for free. I mean, as long as it gets up to $100.
I did the math. If you buy every single pack that we have on our website, you will get it for less than $300.
Yeah.
Like, that is insane.
How many samples and presets is that? You did the math on that, too.
Yeah, I think I did.
It's like 1 million.
Yeah, it's over like 3,000 samples.
It's
like
over 1 million.
It's over 9,000.
Yeah, so it's a shit ton of content. So make sure you guys check that out, as well as our Patreon. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. We got some new type videos coming up. I don't know if you guys saw our last video. We did like a vlog challenge video. We got more of that stuff coming. Let us know how you guys are liking the new style content. We're trying to up our game, so to speak. So let's go ahead and hear this out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and comment, and check out our Instagram.
Yeah,
we'll
let's
see you guys
hear it.
next time.
All right, thanks, guys.
Shout out to Russ. Thank you, Russ. We love you.
I wish my best to the both of you. Family and friends, they all close to you. Damn, it's so hard getting over you. Late in the midnight hour, you make the worst decisions. And I was always there to listen. This time, time to talk.